Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala. This is Abdul Malik Hashmi and you are watching my YouTube channel. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comments below. In December 2018, I got an opportunity to visit Malaysia. I traveled in light rail transit, trains or LRT in Kuala Lumpur. LRT is also called Rapid KL. Rapid KL is a public transportation system built by a Malaysian company and operated by its subsidiaries, covering Kuala Lumpur and the Klang Valley areas. The entire Rapid KL rail network, operated by Rapid Rail Sdn Bhd, is 156.7 kilometers long and has 114 stations. These trains can travel up to 80 kilometers per hour. In 2018, these rail network carried a total of 350,000 passengers daily. The Kuala Lumpur Light Rail Transit, called LRT, is a public rail transport service that runs two major routes, the Kelana Jaya LRT line and Ampang LRT line. The Kelana Jaya LRT line operates an approximate 27 kilometers course from north to south between Kelana Jaya in the Klang Valley, 17 kilometers away from the heart of the KL, and the Gombak, 16 kilometers from the city center. A few famous stations in this route are KLCC, KL Central, and the Masjid Jame. People commute from one destination to the another. People of different ethnic origins live in Kuala Lumpur. There are Chinese Malaysians, Tamil Indian Malaysians, Tamil Indian Malaysians, indigenous Malaysians. People have freedom to wear clothes according to their culture and norms. You may find ladies in scarf and hijab, and on the other hand, you can also find ladies or the women in mini skirts and shorts side by side. Malaysians live peacefully. I traveled from Ampang Park to Putra Heights in 490 ringgit only. During my visit to Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, I visited different places of Kuala Lumpur. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel. For more videos, please click the bell icon.